Hindi, nakaano na sila. Benta sila ng ano. Yan na talaga yung medical side. No?
Ayun na lang sa picture. Sino taga-picture mo? Hindi, ito naka-video naman eh. Sige sir.
Okay, para sa ating medical fight ng Lemuel Jasper Gasa and Carlo Antonio Valenzuela. Okay. Picture ata. Idol, picture o video? Picture lang. Okay, para sa ating unang medical fight, si Lemuel Jasper Gasa. Wala po ba tayo mga kamay? Punta tayo sa gitna. Okay, para sa ating second medical fight, si Carlo Antonio Valenzuela.
Sir, paligay mo na.
Okay, para sa ating third medical fight, si Alvin Manlapas.
Go!
Juan Paulo Valencia. Para naman po sa ating ika-apat, si Juan Paulo Valencia. Wala po ba tayo mga kamay? Para naman sa ating ika-limang medical five, si Joseph Rulada. Para sa ating ika-limang medical five, inuulit ko si Joseph Rulada.
Ay, ganas na.
Okay, wala po siya.
Bumili tubig. Sir. Yung mga takip nyo ng medal dito ha. Kailangan nyo.
Punta muna po tayo sa sa gitna. All players po, punta muna po tayo sa gitna. Kakausapin ulit tayo ng ating mga magigiting na referee. Si Rep Sunjam and si Rep Aldrin. Hindi ko kilala yung isa. Pasensya na Rep, hindi ko kilala. Si Sir Jun. Yan. Nakasapin tayo ng ating mga magigiting na arbitero ng Bulacan.
Binaligtad ako ng referee. Puro 3 seconds siya. Traffic. Manalo kayo, di ba? Manalo kayo.
para sa main first five. Pero paano pinabuksan Bluetooth nito? Pinakatulog ba yun? Pinipag ko lang.
Okay, makitanggal muna po kami ng hikaw, singseng, kwintas. Oh, ayan. Makitakin ng mga jersey para hindi tayo masyadong ma-technical ng ating mga arbitero.
Halimbawa, di ba, first quarter, tas tatlo tayo, di ba? Hindi namin nagamit din yung 2 minutes, yung dalawa.
Wait lang.
Ngayon,
Depende po sa akin.
Ano, game na po. Okay, first five natin para sa ating team na ano ba team no? Tigers wearing jersey number 26 si Arvin Sopin and jersey number 12 Boy Valencia and wearing jersey number 24 Arvin Abbas and jersey number 18, Ruben Dayao, and jersey number 28, Larry Igrobay. Para sa ating team ng ano to? Wolves. Timberwolves. Wearing jersey number 7, Andre De Jesus, and wearing jersey number 9, Carlo Valencia, and wearing jersey number 10, Liven Casa, and wearing jersey number 12, Jem Batanggi, and wearing jersey number 13, Laren Beltran. Ayan na ating first five. Okay, battle for the champion. Para sa ating second game. Tigers versus team ng Timberwolves. Yeah! Di ko na ibinaser. Trouble between jersey number 10 and number 24 and number 12. Valencia na steal ni Casa and jersey number 10. Pass to number 9 and number 9 pass to teammate. Good for 2. Wala po, hindi po sa masayad eh. Siyensya na po. Jersey number 26 and number 26 pass to teammate number 18 lays up tapikan makukuha nino 10 seconds on the shot clock and number 24 and there's a whistle down the floor. Foul on number 10 first personal foul and first team foul. Ayan, balik sa 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa team na oy, may foul. Foul on jersey number pushing foul, Patanggi. First personal foul and second team foul. Number 26 Sabit from the rainbow. Wala. Tapigan. Makukuha. Ayan na. Number 24. 10 seconds on the shot ng number 24. Good for 2. And jersey number 10. And number 10, setting a play. And number 10, pass to teammate. Number 9, perimeter. Number 9, wala tapikan. Okay, same ball. Wala ng Timberwolves. Balik sa 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ayan. And number 9, pumasok sa gitna. Walang halanawan ni jersey number 24. na steal sa whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 16. 26 rather. 26. Number 26, first personal foul and first team foul. Ayan. Inbound. Pass to number 7. Wala na ni number 10. Number 10, 2 points. Para jersey number 10. And jersey number 26, setting play. And number 26, looking for a teammate. To number 24, taking 3. Wala na jersey number. Patanggi to number 9. To number 10. Wala. Saan na ba rin number 10? Number 10, using the glass. Wala ba rin? Nakakuha na nga Ben. Naka-red. Number 12. Pass to number. Wala. Number 24. Good for 2. And number 13, setting a play, looking for a teammate, number 13, and there's a whistle, foul on number 12. And number 12, first personal foul. And second, team foul. And jersey number 10 sa ilalim, dinukot, wala nga lang. And nakuha ni jersey number 18, and number 18, pass to number 24, good for 2. And number 9, attacking the defense, number 9. Number 9 to number 7. Number 7. Wala nga na jersey. Number 18 to number 26. Submit to number 24. And number 24. Nawala ang bola na ni jersey. Number 30. Number 30 nagmamadali. Binababa ang bola. Number 13. Attacking the defense. Good for 2. All 6 tayo. Para sa ating first quarter. Jersey number 26, setting a play. And number 26, pass to number 12. Number 12, attacking the defense. Number 12, wala na. Jersey number 10. Number 10, secure the rebound. Pass to number 9. Nice steal to number 26. Number 26 to number 12. Number 12, attacking the defense. Basket and 1. Foul committed by jersey number 12, Patanggi. Blocking foul. Second personal foul, Patanggi. And third team foul. Bonus free throw tayo para ay jersey number 12, Valencia. Sige po, pag pumasok po yan. Wala kang bonus free throw. Nakakuha ni Patanggi to number 10. Jersey number 10, setting a play to number 9. Number 9, naghanap ng papasahan. Nakakita si jersey number 10. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Wala na jersey number 28. Pass to teammate number 26. And number 26. Pass to number 18. Number 18, floater. Short. Number 18 again. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 10 to number 9. Number 9. Number 9, attacking the defense. To jersey number 7. Perimeter shot. It's good. By jersey number 7. And number 26, setting a play. Number 26, pass to teammate. Number 24 to number 26. Shot knocked down to 12. To number 28. Number 28. Good for 2. Patanggi to number 10. Number 10, setting a play. Looking for a teammate. Jersey number 10, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12 to jersey number 13. Wala. Nakakuha. Ayan na si jersey number 7, Valencia. Running down the court, Valencia. Nawawala ang bola, Valencia. To jersey number 24. Number 24. Good for 2. Time out. Time out. Time out from the side of the Timberwolves. Score po natin 12-8 in favor of team ng Tigers. Oras natin 5 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time para sa ating first quarter.
Si Josh Pro wala? Bibili lang ng tubig. Parang muwiin.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Ako na lang pick ko na mo, pre. Ito bigay ko sa'yo. Ha? Ito bigay ko sa'yo. Balik. Abot ko na lang sa office.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola ng Timberwolves. Jersey number 77 to number 7. Oh, it's a traveling violation. Jersey number 26, setting a play. Number 26 to number 24. Number 24, nice steal to number 9. Number 9 to number 7. Good for 2. Number 26, setting a play. Number 26, looking for a teammate. Number 26, pinalibag sa ring. Wala nga lang. Nandun si number 10. Binigay kay jersey number 9. Number 9 to number 77. Nawawala-wala ang bola to number 7. Perimeter, it's good. Deadlock tayo. All 12, 4 minutes. And 13 seconds remaining, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24, floater, number 24, good for 2. Jersey number 10, pass to number 77. And number 77 looking for a teammate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 77 from the rainbow. Wala. Nakakuha ni jersey number 12, Valencia. Attacking the defense, Valencia. Good for 2. Okay. May technical tayo. Okay. Tuck in po. Improper tuck in po yan. Ayun, si jersey number 77.
Josh, pasarado pinto. Pinto.
Pinaalala naman po kanina yan.
Sorry, iPhone ka.
Picturean. Mamaya time out.
And jersey number 77, pass to teammate number 7, perimeter again. Wala, nandun si number 10, good for 2. Tama yung score mo eh. 17-13. 14. Jersey number 26, 15 seconds on the shot clock. To number 12, Valencia. Naibet. Now on jersey number 7. Number 7 to number 77. Binigay kay jersey number 9. Number 90, Discarte. Pass to number 10 sa ilalim. And foul. Foul committed by jersey number 28. 18. Sorry po. First personal foul number 18 and third 13 foul. Bonus free throw para ay jersey number second throw para ay jersey number 10. Pumasok. And jersey number 26, setting play. And number 26, looking for a teammate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. To number 24, wala. And there's a whistle. Okay, technical for clapping. Jersey number 17. Sumablay ang technical free throw.
Ano ba po? Ito. Eh, pag eh. Niloloko ko lang natin. Ayoko, nag-battery po kasi.
Okay, araw possession po yan. Nobody's ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nakakuha ni jersey number 10, pass to number 7. And number 7,
Napatay ko sa oras.
running down the court, pass to number 9, pass to number 77, to number 17, wala, tapingan, dalawa sila, number 12, Valencia, running down the court, Valencia, perimeter shot, it's good. Jersey number 77, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to teammate, number 9, 10 seconds on the shot clock, number 9. Perimeter shot, it's good. Jersey number 26, setting a play, pass to teammate, number 24. Number 24, 15 seconds on the shot clock, number 24. Attacking the defense to number 26 to number 28. Natapik. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Okay.
Wait lang.
Up.
Meeting.
Up. Mag-uusap muna po yung mga referee. Sige po, hayaan nyo muna po yung desisyon ng referee. Okay, 5 seconds on the shot lang ha, mga idol. 5 seconds on the shot lang. Na-steal. Outlet na tayo. Na-steal ulit. Ayan na, number 18. Wala, number 24. Para sa board. Good for 2. Number 7, setting a play. Number 7. Jersey number 7. Fast teammate. Number 9, perimeter shot. Wala na kuha nino. Jersey number 8, 28. Fast to number 12. Number 12. Good for 2.
Magago ko, papakita.
Jersey number 7, fake. Up. Graveling. Violation. 46 seconds to play. Balit. Sub. Sub ulit.
Bago na. Pero ganyan din tayo ngayon, hindi bago tayo nung uni.
Jersey number 26. Number 26. Looking for a teammate. Carrying the ball. Ang tinawag na rep. Balik sa Timberwolves ang bola. And number 77. Looking for a teammate. Number 77, pass to number 10. Fake, number 10. Good for 2. Wala na tayong shot na. 20 seconds. Number 12, 10 seconds. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 17. Wala ba po? First personal foul, penalty, warning pa lang, warning, ref, warning. 5 seconds, good for 2, para kay jersey number, buzzer na lang yan. Okay, and up the first quarter sa score na 25-19 in favor of team ng Tigers.
Ay, tara Josh. Pipicture ang mga.
Sali ako dyan? Oo. Tangina. Nadamay pa yun, namumulol na lang.
Picture mo na lang, Mythical Kupal.
Tangina. Mythical Kupal. Mythical Kupal?
Sa gitna pre. Para na may picture.
Dali lang po rin, may pipicturean lang po isang medical, yung kaninang wala. It lang po, mga idol. Bola ng Timberwolves. Pipicturean lang po si idol, number 21. Pipitikan lang. to the ball game.
Tipid eh.
Bola ng team ng Timberwolves.
Damay pa.
Kailangan may takip? Kailangan may takip? Hindi na.
Eh, no pre. Dagdag biting ko mga.
Jersey number 5, inbound.
Sabi ni Terence.
Number 5 to number 9. Okay, nilipat na po natin yung araw. Number 9, setting a play, attacking the defense.
Sabi ni driving light pre.
To jersey number 77, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 77, floater. Wala tapigan, makuha. Op. Jumbo. Bola ng team ng Tigers. Jersey number 26, setting up play. Pass to teammate number 24. And number 24, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24 is screen. Number 24, and may foul. Foul committed by jersey number 77. 77. First personal foul and first team foul.
Kaya yung ano, jumble kayo, di ba? Hindi, nag-jumble. Nandito pa rin.
Ayan, pasok.
Pero yung araw daw, sir. Nandito pa rin ba talaga?
Hindi, tama po yan. Kanina po sa kanila, second quarter.
Tama pala. Nag-jumble daw, sir.
Hindi ko nalipat, sorry po.
Yeah, pre. Thank you, pre.
Jersey number 6, pass to teammate. Sablay na ang jersey number 26. Pass to number 12, pass to number 26. Good for 2. Score, Maki. 29. Na-steal. Ayan na si jersey number 26. Pass to number 40, number 24. Na-steal, number 77. And number 77
Ganda.
to number 77. And there's a whistle. Down the floor pa lang. Foul committed by jersey number 9.
Yung
First personal foul, number 9. And first team foul.
Hindi po. Ay, hindi. Ano yung counted yun?
Jersey number 6. Pass to number teammate. Good for 2. Number 26. Jersey number 26. Number 26. Attacking the defense na. Still the number 9. Oh, may foul tayo. Foul. Committed by jersey number 10. Second personal foul, number 10, and second team foul. Jersey number 6, pass to number 9. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9, zigzag move. Number 9, up. Foul, sino rep? Foul up. Foul after the basket. Foul on number 10. Sabi na tayo. Number 10, second personal foul.
Nice, Pyong!
And third team foul.
Pyong! Ano ba ito, Pyong? Pyong!
Tatlong ball agad, pre.
And jersey number 9, 10 seconds on the shot now. Number 9 attacking the defense. Number 9, good for 2. Apat na lang. 25 to 29. 15. Oh. Sa kanya dalawa. Number 9, and there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 26. Number 26. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty ang team ng Tigers.
Oo.
Sablay ang first throw.
Kahit direto ka. oo.
And the second row para jersey number 9.
Tatirahin ko talaga sa may Bulacan.
Pumasok. And number 26. Number 26, attacking the defense. Number 26. Wala nga nakakuha ng mga pe. Wala pa rin. Jersey number. Nakatabigan nga lang siya. Ngunit sa kanya pa rin. Jersey number 10. And number 10, perimeter. Nabot. Nakuha ni Valencia. Number 12. Nice steal ni number 13. Nice steal, number 27 to number 26 to number 12. Number 12 to number 9. Easy 2 points. 31. Jersey number 6, pass to number 9. Number 9 sa ilalim, number 10. Good for 2.
Totoo nga sinabi.
Jersey number 26, pass to number 24. Sige po. Number 24 to jersey number. Kuya, po ka nga po. 10 seconds on the shot clock, Valencia. Good for 2.
Tukod talaga.
Number 77. Oh, nice steal. Ayan na, si jersey number 12. Valencia, susubok na naman sa ilalim. Valencia, turnaround shot. Good for 2.
Lapit pre, lapit kayo.
Isa na lang po.
Para sa
First up. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock, number 13. Wala, tapi ka na. Ni number 10. Wala pa rin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 12, Valencia. Number 12. Number 12. Good for 2. I'm out from the side of Team Revolts. Okay, score natin 37-28 in favor of team ng Tigers. Wala na po kayong timeout para sa first half, mga idol. May dalawa po kayong timeout para sa ating first half.
Pag si Carol Lomayo, sa Lomayo.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Haba pa yan, sir. Ang haba.
Number 10, setting a play, pass to number 9. Number 9, attacking the defense, number 9, pass to number 10. Number 10, beautiful block, nakakuha. Ayan na, number 27 to number 1. Number 1, nawawala-wala ang bola, number 1, kickball. Kickball ang tinawag kay jersey number 1. Jersey number 77 to number 9. Number 9, looking for a teammate. Number 9, attacking the defense. Na-steal ni number 1, pass to number 24. Number 24, attacking the defense. Good for 2. Jersey number 10. And number 10, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Sablay, nakuha. Ayan na. Ayan na naman. Nagtatakbuhan na. Still ni number 9. And number 9, attacking the defense. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 27. Laking foul. Penalty tayo, ref. Penalty. First personal foul. Penalty situation ng team Tigers. Shooting on the line on jersey number 9.
Thank you, pre.
First throw, no good. And the second throw para jersey number 9. Sablay pa rin. Nakakuha ni jersey number 18. 28 rather. Number 1 nagkagawa. Number 1 to jersey number 28. Number 24. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 77. Number 77, second personal foul. And second team foul. Okay, pasok ang first throw. And the second throw para jersey number 24. Pasok ulit. And jersey number 77, attacking the defense, number 77, and there's a whistle. Foul, sino rep? 14, pushing foul. Number 14, first personal foul, penalty. Pumasok ang first throw and the second throw para jersey number 77. Pumasok ulit. And number 14, naghanap ng papasahan to number 1. Up. Dribbling violation. Okay, 14 seconds to shoot lang po yan ha. 14 second shot clock. Po. Oo nga po. Ganyan lang po yan sa front court. Jersey number 9, 10 seconds on the shot clock. To number 77, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nice steal. Number 24, running down the court. Number 24. Dribbling violation. Okay, time out. Time out from the side ng team ng Tigers. Oras natin para sa ating second quarter, 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter sa score na 41-30, 11-point lead para sa team ng Tigers. Okay, back to the ball game.
Tanongin mo na pre sa ano. Ang dadagdag ko kasi po sa
Ako
aircon.
na lang, babrasuin ko lahat sa office.
Oo, sige pre. Dagdagan mo na lang pre. Dagdagan mo na lang yung utang sa kanila.
Hindi, makakumasan ko lang yung mga hindi nagbigay, okay na ako. Sakin lang, Gcash.
Wala akong ligo.
And jersey number 77, setting a play, pass to teammate number 7, fake. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 7, perimeter. Wala, tapigan ng bola. Okay, bola ng team ng Tigers. And number 26, setting a play, pass to number 14. And number 14, siya na rin nagbaba. Number 14, 15 seconds on the shot clock to Valencia. Number 12. Number 12, double screen. Number 12 to number 28. Wala, tapikan, makuha nino. Jersey number 77, pass to number 9. Attacking the defense. Good for 2 para jersey number 9. Jersey number 77, setting a play. Jersey number 26. Oy! And there's a whistle.
Para ilang foul na yan? Si Beltran.
Sino foul?
Last foul pa lang yan.
Hindi ko makita. 13. First personal foul, 3 team fouls. 3 team fouls. 3 team fouls.
Third.
Oh, 2 shots na po. 2 shots.
Pangalawa na to, pangalawa na.
Pangalawa na to. Two bats.
Ang joke lang. Joke lang. Nag-alala na si Toby. Joke lang, joke lang.
Hindi, two shoes.
Ano naman inaangat eh.
Two bats.
Pumasok ang second row.
Ano yung pag-clock?
And jersey number 77, attacking the defense, number 77. May steal ni number 14. Pass to jersey number 12. Valencia. Crossover move, Valencia. Good for two. Nice steal. Ayan na naman. Good for two. Number 7 to number 9.
Ano yata? Nag-timeout na kayo, pre, kanina. Ilan pa timeout na kayo?
Wala na po para sa first half. Supply nga na ng jersey number up and there's a whistle. All sino?
14.
Number 14. Second personal foul. Penalty situation. Out muna si jersey number 14. Pasok si jersey number 9. Shooting on the line on jersey number 7. First throw, no good. And the second throw para kay jersey number 7. Pumasok. Jersey number 28. Pass to teammate. Lumabas ang bola. Save ball tayo. 17 seconds on the shot clock. To number 12, Valencia. Setting a play. Sa gitna, number 28. Ayun na, good for two. Jersey number 13. Lumabas ang bola. Same ball.
Ganda, no? Gigil lahat.
17 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining. Nice steal. Ayan na si Valencia, number 12. Number 12. Ang gandang pasa ay number 26. Ngunit na punata. Ayan na si jersey number 9. Number 9. Wala. Ni jersey number 28. Pass to Valencia. Valencia na libre. Valencia. Wala lang. 15 seconds on the shot now. Number. Valencia fake. Valencia drives. Valencia, wala na. Jersey number 10. Outlet kay jersey number 9. Good for two. Para jersey number 9. 1 minute exactly.
Sabi ko yung oras, ha?
Okay. May foul. Sino rep? Foul number 13. Blocking foul. Warning pa lang po. Warning pa lang. Warning. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sa ilalim number 28. Good for two. Number 10. Babawi. Number 77 para sa board. Number 77 and there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 28. First personal foul number 28. Penalty situation. And shooting on the line on jersey number 77. Pumasok ang first throw. Up. Labas. Sobra na kayo dyan sa loob.
Masyado ng depensa.
Masyado na yan, ha? Masyado na yan.
Pumasok ang second throw. 38 seconds. And jersey number 18 to number 28. Looking for a teammate to jersey number 26. Number 26 na wala sa bantay. Number 26. Good for two. Wala na tayong shot clock. 20 seconds. Jersey number 77 attacking the defense, and there's a whistle. Foul, sino rep? Number 28, blocking foul. Second personal foul, penalty situation. Pumas overthrow.
Alin dito? Dito na lang.
Magbubog na yan. Baka magbubog. Bubuo lang ng 2-3 team eh.
Wala ang second throw na nakuha. Jersey number 26. 10 seconds.
Oras mali guys.
Number 26, passer na lang yan. Oh! At may foul na sumabit. Foul on number 13. Hacking foul. Third personal foul, number 13. And penalty situation, both teams. May naririnig din ba ako sa line yan?
Rinig. Hindi live to. Sa YouTube lang.
Ayan, 2.9 seconds. Okay, at yan nagtatapos ang ating second quarter sa score na 55-13 in favor of team ng Tigers.
Pa-third quarter na kami ha, pa-third quarter na.
Simple lang pala kayo niya, mga bossing. Bawal yan ah.
Sa atin lang.
Bawal yan.
Bawal sa kalsada.
Meron din si Commissioner Radwood eh.
Tayo lang.
Wala nga oh.
Nilagay lang sa tumbler.
Gago.
Tayo ka, meron ka rin pala. Hello, mic test. May battery guys, ha?
Lobat ha?
Nalolobas na. Wait lang. Nalolobas na yan eh. Dalawang quarter pa eh.
Anong battery naman? Sige, lobat na natin.
Okay, back to the ball game para sa ating third quarter. Bola ng team ng Timberwolves. Alam ko sa NBA, naglag na yung Timberwolves. Meron pa pala.
Aray ko, Ant-Man nag-joke.
Si Anthony Edwards.
Kaya kanina si Wembanyawa, 42-24.
44 points.
44-22 pala. Tapos 22 rebounds.
Double, ano?
Malimaw.
Double.
Grabe, no?
Ibang pass by jersey number 10 to number 77. Ayan, ililipat na po yung arrow. And jersey number 13. And number 13, wala para sa board. Number 24, para sa rebound. And number 24, setting a play. Louis for receiver. And jersey number 2 points. Ilan? 19? 13. And jersey no, 15 seconds on the shot clock, number 77 to number 7. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wala. Nabigan. Pakuha jersey number 9. Lumabas ang bola. Save ball tayo. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Number 10 sa ilalim. Beautiful block by jersey number 24. 9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Ayan na, tinira na jersey number. Wala ka lang. Ayan na, ni jersey number 28. Nice steal to number 7. Number 7. Running down the court. Number 7 floater. Wala pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Para sa board. Number 9 naman. Wala pa rin. Tapikan. Makuha ni Valencia. Number 12. Valencia atake. And jersey number 9 attacking the defense. And there's a whistle. Basket count. Foul number 28. Third personal foul. And first team foul.
Baba na, mag-full court.
Pumasok.
Oh, papagod yan.
Jersey number 26, pass to number 28. And number 28 looking for a teammate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24 para sa bola. Jersey number 24 attacking the defense. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 3 points para kay Valencia. Jersey number 9 attacking the defense. Napas sa ilalim. Number 13. Good for 2. Jersey number 28. Setting a play. Looking for a teammate. Valencia sa 3. Wala nga lang. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Valencia atake. Iniwan ni number 28. And there's a whistle. Ayun o. May foul tayo. Ayan po, may foul na tayo. Foul number 13. Number 13, warning for disqualification. Si jersey number 13, warning na po for disqualification. Up, sub muna tayo, rep. Sub. Ayan. Pumasok. And jersey number 77, looking for a teammate, number Sablay, nakakuha ni number 24. Pass to teammate, number 26. And jersey number 26, pass to Valencia. Sa malayo! 3 points! And jersey number 9. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 9. Up. Same ball tayo. Balik tayo sa 14. Kick ball. Jersey number 7. Floater. Wala na. Jersey number 24. Number 24 to Valencia. Naiwan ang bola. Nakakuha ni jersey number 7. Number 7 attacking the defense. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 26 to Valencia. Number 12. Valencia, easy lang daw. Ayan ay kami nga. Number. Okay. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Symbol. Number 24 to Valencia for 3. Valencia, I'm out. I'm out from the side of Timberwolves.
Hoy! Nabalik! Painom ka!
Ang score po natin, 68-43 in favor of team ng Tigers.
Grabe, tangina. Parang lumilay up siya.
Dapat lang tayo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time para sa ating third quarter. Bala ng Timberwolves. Jersey number 6. And number 6, pass to teammate. Number 77, pass to number 7. Perimeter shot. Up. May foul lang tayo. Foul number. Number 27. Hacking foul. Second personal foul, number 27. And second team foul. And number 6 to number 7, Lothar. Yes, for 2. And jersey number 26, looking for a teammate to number 24, from Rainbow. Wala na, jersey number 9, para sa board, number 9. Number 9 attacking the defense, number 9. Wala, tapigan para sa bola na jersey number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Wala. Number 18 pa rin. Go for 2. Jersey number 10. And number 10. Attacking the defense. Number 10. Okay. Number 10. Pushing foul. Number 10, third personal foul, and third team foul.
Number 10, graduate.
Ayan.
Graduate.
Number 10, attacking the defense sa ilalim, number 10. Okay, there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 13, 18. 2 shots tayo para ay jersey number 10. Second personal foul. Warning. For penalty, ang team ng Tigers.
Foul out. Pre, may deliver ka daw, pre.
And second throw.
Pacheck mo yung mga group, baka nakawin na ako.
Supply. Nakakuha pa rin niya. Jersey number 9. Number 9. Malakas. Nakakuha ni number 24. And jersey number 24. Pass to teammate. Number 26. Number 26. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 24. Shot clock down to 12. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wala na ang jersey number 10. And number 10, attacking the defense. Wala, tapigan. Nakakuha ni jersey number 77. Wala pa rin. Nice steal. Ayan na, si jersey number. Oh, and there's a whistle. Foul. Committed by jersey number 6. Laking foul. First personal foul, number 6. And second team foul. Shooting on the line on jersey number 18. First throw, it's good. Pasok pa rin ang second throw. And jersey number 6, looking for a teammate. Number 6, nice steal. And number 18, lays up. Wala na andun. Si number 26, wala pa rin. Tapi ka ng bola. Kanino mapupunta? Number 6 to number 10. Number 10, good for 2. And jersey number 26, wala na. Jersey number 9. And number 9, pass to teammate. Sa ilalim. Timeout. Timeout from the side of team ng Tigers. Sa score na 72-49. Okay lang po, sige po. Iihilang ang ating arbiterong isa. Okay, back to the ball game. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 10 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Jersey number 24 setting a play. And number 24, 15 seconds on the shot clock. The number 14 to number 10 from Rainbow. Wala na ni jersey number 6. And number 6 pass to number 7. And number 7 pass to teammate number 77. Good for 2. Sige po, pagka nagka-dead ball. 21 na lang ang hinahabol. Jersey number 10, wala. Now ni jersey number 9. And number 9, pass to number 7. Malakas nga lang. Number 77 para sa board. Good for 2 para kay jersey. Oh, wala pa pong dead ball. Jersey number 10, setting a play. Number 10. Pass to teammate. Number 24, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Oh! Number 10. Offensive goal. Oh, stop.
Pwede ka na.
Ilalim. Oy, warning for disqualification si number 10. Number 77 from the Rainbow. 3 points. Unti-unting binababa ang kalamangan. 72-56. Jersey number 7 Valencia. Nawala ang bola. Nawa ni jersey number 7. Pass to number 10. Number 10 attacking the defense and there's no whistle. Foul number 14. Number 10 out. Third personal foul penalty situation. Ang team ng Tigers. Penalty situation para sa team ng Tigers.
Tangin na ba? Wala na akong game challenge dyan. Sorry po. Gundi pa rin. Gundi lang. Gago kayo.
Oy, supply ang first throw.
Nagkakaedad na eh, nagkakaedad.
Makapatay ko na ba aircon para ano?
And the second row para jersey number 10. Pumasok. And number 14. Number 14 setting a play. Number 14, 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 14. Naghanap ng babasa. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sablay now on jersey number 6. Pass to teammate number 10. And number 10 to number 77, attacking the defense. Good for 2. Jersey number 9, nag-ano papasahan to number 26. To jersey number 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12 to number 26. Wala nga lang. Jersey number 9, attacking the defense. Number 9. Number 9, wala na ni jersey. Number 24 to number 12, Valencia attacking. Good for 2. Ayan na. And jersey number 6, easy lang daw. Crossing the timeline. Now number 6, pass to number 10. Number 10, wala. Agawan sa bola. Op. Bola ng Team Tigers. And jersey number 14, looking for a teammate to number 26. Number 26. Oh, traveling. Violation. Number 7 to number 6. 55 seconds. Jersey number 6, looking for a teammate. Number 10, sa ilalim. Traveling. Violation na tinawag ni ref. And jersey number 14, 45 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12, Valencia, fake Valencia perimeter. It's good para kay Valencia. Number 12. 30 seconds. Number 9. Oh, miscommunication. Balik sa team ng Tiger ang bola. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 20 seconds. 15 seconds to play. Valencia play. Wala na ang jersey number 9. Nice steal. Passer na lang yan. Passer na lang. Success para sa 3 points. A jersey number 24. Wait lang po, wait lang. Success po ang 3 points ni jersey number 24. Passer Peter 3.
Jun! Baka mapasama eh.
Wala ka sa akin. Sino ka?
Time na agad.
Sino ka? Sino ka?
Gago pre kasi yung 5K.
Huwag kang kabahan. Pag nandito ako, huwag kang kabahan. Magkano 850? Tama, 1.5 pa sisingilin.
Yeah, dali mo.
Okay. Back to the ball game, entering the fourth and final quarter. Dito na po natin malalaman kung sino ang magwakwagi at sino ang mag-champion para sa ating laban for tonight. Bola ng team ng Tigers. Ang score po natin, 79-59, 20-point lead para sa team Tigers. Okay, babaliktarin na po natin ang araw. And jersey number 26, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock, number 26, good for 2. And jersey number 77. Number 77 to jersey number wala. Agawan sa bola. Kanino mapupunta? Number 26. Outlet na tayo para kay jersey number 12. Si George para sa dos. Good for 2. And number 77, attacking the defense. Number 77, good for 2.
Bati, bati! Kapit agad!
Dalawa. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Lumabas ang bola. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Number 77. Number 77. Wala. Tapi ka. Number 77 pa rin. Number 77. Good for 2. 20 pa rin ang inahabol ng team. Number 24. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 24 attacking the defense, and there's the whistle. Number 9. Number 9, first personal foul. First team foul. Shooting on the line on jersey number 24. Pumasok. Sumablay ang ikalawa. And jersey number 9, setting a play, looking for a teammate. Number 9 to number 7, sa ilalim. Wala na. Jersey number 77, wala pa rin. Na-rebound. Nagawa. Oh, may pito si Rep. Ano nangyari? Kickball. Balik sa 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ayan na sa ilalim, number 77. Umatake. Now on the jersey number 10. Up. Robin Lee. Violation. And jersey number 12. Valencia. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12. Ay, same ball. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Ayun na sa ilalim, number 26. Good for 2. And number 9, attacking the defense. Number 9 to number 10 sa ilalim, number 10. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Wala na kuha para sa board. Number 24 rather. To number 12 to number 24. Good for 2. I'm out from the side of team Timberwolves. Okay, tiga lamang timeout na lang po. Both teams, tiga lamang timeout. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time para sa ating last and final quarter sa score na 88-63 in favor of team ng Tigers.
Harvey na, na-disappoint. Wala pa sa group.
Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game na tayo. Wala ng team ng Timberwolves.
Nice game pa din.
Ay pa yan, 7 minutes ko. Battle boy. Pero hindi ko akalain may laro natin kayo. Ano?
Hindi ko natatanong na.
Dahil si Christian, pre.
Jersey number 9, setting a play.
Ganda.
Supply nga na now, jersey number 28, pass to number 26. Okay.
Ganda laro ni Christian. Step up talaga.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12, Valencia to number 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 26 to number 24. Hindi tumama ng ring yan. Number 13 to number 9. Tapiga, number 9 pa rin para sa board. Number 9. Good for 2. Number 12, Valencia. Traveling violation. Ayun, doon ang bola. Fourteen seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 13 from the Rainbow, wala. Now on jersey number 9, good for 2. Jersey number 26. Number 26. Oh, it's a traveling violation. Dalawa.
Oo, talisod sila pre.
And jersey number 77. Pass to teammate number 9. Taking 3. 3 points.
Dagdag ako sa pera ko.
Jersey number 24. Number 24 to number 26. Naitawid ang bola to jersey number. Oh, may pito sa rep. Si jersey number is pa rep. Number 13. Okay, number 13. It's time to graduate. Si 8 na lang ang kalamangan ng team ng Tigers. Pumasok para kay jersey number 9.
Time out. May ilan pa yung time out yan? Dalawa. One.
Jersey number 9, setting a play, number 9. And number 9, same spot, number 9, from the Rainbow, wala now in jersey number 12. Number 12, the jersey number 26. Number 26, pass to number 24, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Wala ang bola. Agawan. 4 seconds on the shot clock. 2 points para kay jersey number 26. Jersey number 9. Number 9 attacking the defense. Number 9, 2 points. Up.
Injury time out.
Okay, sub. Mandatory substitution. Oh. Wala daw po, wala. Wala daw po. Jersey number 26. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 26. Number 24 rather. 10 seconds on the shot clock to number 12, Valencia. Behind the back, 3 ball, Valencia. Atake to number 9 and there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 10. Hacking foul. 2 shots para kay jersey number 9. Third personal foul, number 9. And number 10. Third team foul. First throw, no good.
All magnet kasi. Aray nga. Putak na lang. Namilang lang. Hindi pa rin na.
Pumasok. Jersey number 9. Setting up play. Hesimo. Number 9. Attacking the defense. Agawan sa bola. Bola ng team.
Manuel, ikaw pala dyan. Manuel. Pag-stripe ko lang. Sa ikot sa akin.
Jersey number. Sige po. Jersey number 26. Pass number 24. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Labas ang bola. Bola balik sa Timberwolves. Jersey number 77 from the Rainbow, 3 points. Number 77 behind the back dribble. Number 77 and number 12 pass to number 9, and there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 6. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Ang team ng Timberwolves. Supply ang first throw. And the second throw para jersey number 9. Pumasok. And jersey number 6. Number 6, pass to number 10. Number 10, attacking the defense. Number 10, wala na ni jersey number 18. Pass to teammate. And jersey number 26, pass to number 9. Number 9, sa unahan. Good for 2. Time out. Time out from the side of team Timberwolves. I score 96-75 under 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time. Kaso pagka hindi ginamit ng under last 2 minutes, mababawasan na isa yan. Ganun pala yun.
Pwede ba ako magpasok ng mga trade? Kasi magmamasteral siya eh.
Okay, back to the ball game. Idol, basta natin mo na lang. Time out natin. Ano? Hindi. Sige. Hindi natin masasakto kasi ng oras na ano eh. 2 minutes eh. 2 minutes and 30. Op. Oh, sige po. Pasok po. And jersey number 6. Number 6, pass to Patanggi. Number 12, pass to number 6. Number 6 sa ilalim, natapigan ni jersey number 27. Number 27. And number 27, pass to number 1. Wala, tapigan. Number 1 pa rin. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Sa ilalim, wala, tapigan. Number 27. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Wala pa rin, tapigan. Sa kanila pa rin. 4 seconds to shoot. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. Ayan na, si jersey number 12, Patanggi. Nice sila ni jersey number 10. Pass to teammate number 1. Number 1 to jersey number, wala nga lang. Agad sa bola, up. Line violation. Number 27, pass to number 6. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Nice steal. The number 1. And number 1. Wala. Nakakuha. Ayan na. Jersey number 15. And number 15. Oh, lumabas ang bola.
Shot!
Jersey number 15 fake. Number 15 perimeter. Wala. jersey number 9, still number 27. Jersey number 27. Dire-diretso. Wala lang ang jersey number 6, pass to number 15. Oh, short. 1 minute and 18 seconds. Jersey number 9, setting a play. Number 9 to number 10. 15 seconds on the shot. Wala na ang jersey number 9. Para sa 3. Wala na ang jersey number 15. 1 minute exactly. Jersey number 15. Wala na ang jersey number 9. 50 seconds. Jersey number 27, number 27, and number 27. Wala. Napigan na ako ni Patanggi, number 12, pass break. Okay, jersey number 27, number 27. Wala. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 10, good for 2. Wala na po tayong shot clock. Number 27, good for 2. Number 1, 3 points. At yan nagtatapos ang ating championship win by team ng Tigers.
Oh, tingga, congrats. May announce pa tayo.
Thank you po.
Kami hindi ka nag-master ang
Alis, tayo bayan.
Pare. Pera mic. Ano po kanta? Hello. Wala muna pong aalis na players. May sige lang tayo, tig to 250. Wala nang gatas yung anak ko eh. De, pero ilan tayo? Magkano singilan? Oh, 350. Tang na ako to eh. Ganun ako tumira sa amin. Mataas kasi rin sa amin.
Hindi, kung kami,
Ano oras na? Meron na bang alas 2 ng madaling araw?
Wala pa naman.
Pwede magkano ba yun?
salamat po, Singa. Opo, salamat po, ano.
Okay. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumali sa liga natin.
Una na po kami.
Salamat po lahat. Wolves and Tigers po, thank you. Sa mga fiber home and everything. Lahat salamat po. Okay, announcement na po tayo, champion. Team Tigers. Sa gitna po tayo lahat, Tigers. Dito tayo. Hello. Sorry. Yung second, first runner-up muna po pala. Team Wolves, sa harap muna tayo, sa gitna po.
Sa gitna, pre. Pipicturean kayo eh, wala pang bayad.
Pag walang bayad, walang picture.
Oo.
Huwag ka lang tayo mag-
Hindi pa yata, hindi pa.
Cellphone mo na lang. And sa champion po natin, Team Tigers!
Ay, yung envelope pala. Pero pasuyo ko na envelope pa mo. Wala lang pang bayad. Pupuso pa siya, no? And for finance, MVP, Boy Valencia! Picture mo na. Thank you. Why? Sabi mo sa liga natin. Sige, na. Hello. Sa liga natin. Ano masasabi mo?
Salamat, Commissioner. Napakasyaga mo para may palaro sa Bulacan Zone. Salamat sa Castor 2, mga kaibigan natin sa Castor 2 sa magandang laban. At syempre sa mga teammates ko na talagang lumaban hanggang huli. Boss Norman, para sa inyo to boss. Kung ano, nasan man kayo ngayon. Sa inyo to. Castor 1, number 1. Thank you pare.
Thank you everyone.
Shout out Boston.
Thank you lahat. Abangan po natin yung 3-on-3. Mag-a-announce na po ako.